Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel of ServerAvatar. Today I am going to show you how to host a N8N on a ServerAvatar with just one click. It's easier than you might think. Plus, we will cover the basic server requirements you will need to get started. So let's dive in. For those who may not be familiar with N8N, N8N is an incredible workflow automation tool that lets you connect a different service in a flexible ways. It supports both no-code and low-code options, allowing users to create a complex workflow with ease and integrates with a numerous platforms for enhanced productivity. Where ServerAvatar is a user-friendly server management platform that simplifies deploying and managing an application on VPS hosting. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about the basic requirement of running a N8N on a server. So the basic requirement is a VPS with at least 2 GB of RAM and 40 GB of memory on a server. With this, you will require a ServerAvatar supported Ubuntu versions like 20.04, 22.04 and 24.04. Then first is you will need to sign up or log in into your ServerAvatar account at serveravatar.com. If you are new to a ServerAvatar, then please sign up. I already have an account, so I will log in. First step is to connect your server. To connect a server, click on create and then server. Here you can see the multiple options to connect your server. If you are having Amazon Lightsail, DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, Hetzner servers, then you can connect your account or create a new account for the given options. Apart from this, if you have any other servers, then you can select a custom. For this video, we are going to use a custom method. Here in a custom, you have the two options to connect your server. First is with IP and root password, and second one is without IP and a root password. I am going to recommend to select a without IP address and root password. Then click on a server name. Here give a server name as a N8N hosting by ServerAvatar. Then here you can see the options for the cleanup a server. Here first option is if the ServerAvatar finds any conflicting package, then it will remove it from the server. And select the second options only when if you already have an important software or the custom configurations running on a server that you don't want to disturb. Here are the some basic requirements by the ServerAvatar, like 43210 port should be enabled or the open for the incoming connections by the ServerAvatar. Then if your public IP address has been changed at any time, then you can visit a panel and you can update it there. Then the supported OS by the ServerAvatar is Ubuntu 20.04 and 22.04 and 24.04. And the last one is the make sure to your server has been a fresh server. Then we will move to the selected tech stack. So N8N by default support a node stack, so we are going to select a node stack. Then our database will be the MongoDB database. Then if you want to require the yarn, then you can click on toggle button and enable it. Right now we don't require, so we will not enable the toggle button. Then click on connect now. Here you will say the two steps to perform. First, login into your server as a root user, and second is run the below command and make sure you have the root access to execute this command. So basically copy this thing and paste it on your server and run it as a root user. So I already did this. So let's move to the hosting a N8N on a server. So here you can see it's my DigitalOcean server. So here you can see N8N hosting by the ServerAvatar server. Then go to the settings. In settings you will see the options for the N8N. Here first you need to install a N8N. I already have installed the N8N, so it is showing me as a update N8N. Once you have been installed, it will show like this. But then you want to update the N8N version, then you can also update the N8N version from here. Then go to the applications to host a application N8N. Then click on create an applications. Here applications name will be the test N8N hosting and then we have the options for the primary domain. Select a primary domain when you want to host N8N on your own domain. Then go to the test domain, temporary domain which is provided by the ServerAvatar. Select this temporary domain when you want to host it on a temporary domain provided by the ServerAvatar. So currently I am gonna select this. I am gonna also use the test domain name as a test N8N. Then go to the select method, select one click, and then the select an application. Here you will see the options for the N8N. Click on N8N and then quickly click on create applications. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to create an application. Yes, so you can see it has been successfully installed. So if you want to check it has been installed or not, you can click on this URL. Yes, you can see it has been successfully hosted on a server by just one click. So the next one small tip by the ServerAvatar is, if you want to install a SSL certificate, you can quickly go to the SSL certificate and then click on automatic installations and install a automatic SSL. This is the simple and the fastest solutions to host N8N on a server, and with that you can also install SSL certificate with just a one click. Here you have the options for the force HTTP to HTTPS. So yes, I am gonna enable these options, and yes, it has been successfully hosted with a SSL certificate. So yes, we did see how it is easy by the ServerAvatar to host a N8N application on your server. So if you found this tutorial useful, you can comment, like and subscribe. Please do not forget to click on a bell button of our YouTube channel to get a more update like this.